Hi guys, short video here about the testing of the maximum power of such a PD trigger device. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of information about what this device can handle as a maximum wattage. I mean, it would be very convenient to have such a small device, especially for testing. First thing, it's much cheaper than such a device like the FNI or SI FNB58. I mean, also the 48 would do similar job, but only the 58 can handle up to 28 volts. But this thing is around $50. This thing you can buy for $7 on AliExpress. So if you just need the triggering, so why not to buy this thing? But this one here is able to handle easily 140 watts or even more. Here in the back it says only up to 120 watts, but I've done some tests showing even more than 140 watts. So the question is, how much can we do with this device here? So here I have 140 watts power supply, 150 watts testing device, and so let's increase the power here a little bit. We can see voltage, watts, amps here. We can see volts and amps here, and we can see watts here, but this cable is a little bit delayed. So we're going up, shows 50 watts, 53, 28 volts and 2 amps. Seems about right. So let's go a little bit higher. Maybe we can reach 100 watts. Yeah, we are above 100 and this thing is still working. Okay, that's not bad. Can we reach close to 140 watts? Yeah, we are at 148, 150, and this thing shows even 6.5 amps. So I'm reducing this here a little bit again. Yeah, absolutely crazy how much power this small thing can handle. But I can tell you, yeah, it was super hot here actually in the back. And I touch here, it's definitely very hot. So I don't know how long it could handle so much power, but we have definitely been above 140 watts at least for a short time. So I don't want to damage this thing here. I like it actually too much for what it can do for only $7, including shipping from AliExpress. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. I'm not affiliated with this company, but what they created here seems to be pretty cool. I mean, it works pretty much straight out of the box. Sometimes I'm having a little bit problems changing the voltage, but usually it works definitely much easier than with this thing here. Here usually we even need external power, and sometimes then it's saying, yeah, I can't read the PD protocol. The only negative thing here is, even though we have a male USB-C, we cannot use it directly into female USB-C on the power supply. Otherwise, not all the triggering will work. I've tried this already, and it was only supporting up to 20 volts directly in the power supply. I've been talking to the seller, and they confirmed that we have to use an eMarker USB-C cable here to be able to get up to 28 volts. So I'm good with that. I mean, here we have same thing anyway. Of course, that was my original intention, that we could use this device directly here instead of having to use two cables. But also with this expensive device we have to use two cables because we do not have USB-C male. Yeah, I would say that's it for now. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to this listing on AliExpress down into the description of the video. And so if you're interested, you can buy one for you as well. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or maybe you have some better solutions for PD triggering, then also let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.